Hey everyone, it's Sally and Claire, and we thought we'd come on today because I was having a conversation with Claire, and I said, let's just record this and let's talk about your sprays, because I have been using your sprays like forever and ever. Well, since I've got them about a year ago, and they just rock my world. They just shift the energy so quickly. So do you want to talk to everybody about your sprays, how they came about, and the new ones that you've got in production as well?
Okay, sure. So I connected with a Galactic Guide probably 2 years ago,
Mm-hmm.
and we'd been having this discussion in Ambassador about, how do we connect with our guides? Straight after that, I was driving. She dropped in. She gave me a name, where she was from, and it was like, oh, haha, very funny. So I've sat with her, worked with her, and then this information download started to happen. And I was guided to create sprays, not just another spray on the market. And so initially it started with the Egyptian 6 elements. And yep,
So
and
there's
they came quite fast after each other. Then
foundation.
I got, what came next? Clear and cleanse,
Oh,
which is an excellent all-rounder for clearing the aura, clearing the house.
so good,
Yes,
so powerful.
everything.
Really.
Yeah, even when you're having conversations with people, maybe, I wouldn't recommend you spray right in front of them, but yep. And there's clarity and focus. Now, that is more for students for when they're going through exams, but it's also for people who are quite scatterbrained and they just need to come and, clear this head stuff that's going on. So I found that's been really beneficial. And then gratitude. I thought that was a really interesting one. I love that. It's got a very beautiful,
With the
gentle image.
hands. Oh,
I
the
know.
image, the
Yeah.
visual, right? It's giving me goosebumps just looking at it and talking about it. And it's that little sparkle in the middle.
Yeah.
Oh, it's got a thumbs up. How did that happen?
I think when you put your thumb up, it happens.
Try that. That's bizarre.
Oh, that's hilarious. Oh, that's a classic.
That
But
is
that is a beautiful, beautiful energy, because I think often people forget gratitude. We focus on negative or when miracles happen, but just giving gratitude to the universe and the little sparkles in the hands, that's universal gratitude, because
it's beautiful. Yeah.
yeah,
Open possibilities. And I love it because your business name is possibilities and potential. And it's just
yeah,
opening you up. Infinity, right? It's unlimited.
yeah.
Unlimited.
It is absolutely. We are unlimited beings, and we're only just beginning to recognize that.
Yeah.
And that's amazing. And then after those sprays came the what I call the Mama series.
Right.
So, yep, you got those. It doesn't matter. They're for women who are really high achievers or juggling life and, juggling the husband, the family, the kids, the
Yeah.
finances, work, everything. And just, it's instead of grabbing what I call grabbing a wine after work, is just having a spray, and it will create the same effect. It's quite fascinating. Or times when you need that lift, that boost to re-energize. I can't keep going any further.
4 o'clock,
Like,
when people have a
yeah,
sugar. Yeah. That little lift me up. Yeah, for
yeah,
sure.
yeah.
That's a good idea. So that's in the mama sprays, yeah?
They're in the mamas, yes. So there's Tranquil Mama, Joyful Mama, and Moon Mama.
Mm-hmm.
And then after that, soon, straight after they were birthed, out came the children's cherries. So there's 4 in those.
Yeah, they're beautiful.
There's the children's kite, which is about for separation anxiety, which a lot of children are having at the moment. There's a ladybug. I probably should have them here. They're for meditation. Then we've got busy bee. So for children who need that motivation and getting off their electronics.
Yep.
That is what that energy is about. And it's interesting, as I'm talking about this, I'm just getting more information coming through. So it's like you're evolving. And then the final one with that is the butterfly. So just becoming that beautiful soul that they've come down to be. And that's really good for star children as well. It's just finding their way, because parents will often take them off their path, or when their children are doing star talk or imaginary friends, parents go, your imagination. Just allowing those children to come back into who they are and retaining that information is what that's about. And
Just on that, because there's so many sensitive kids now, right? And they're feeling the energy around them, and they feel like they're in the washing machine and a little bit tumbled around, and just using that spray to help get them more stable. Yeah, sorry, go on.
Yeah, no, that's all right. No, because I've been talking and more information's coming through. So I'm just sitting with that too, going, oh, interesting.
Wow.
I love it. And so then recently, about 3 weeks ago, I was guided to create 4 more. Now, these are almost what I call an up level of everything else.
Right.
They are incredibly powerful. So the first one that came through was peace. And yeah, where is it?
Or whatever. Yeah, beautiful.
Yeah. And this is fascinating because this information came through 12 months or so ago, but I didn't print out the label. For some reason it didn't happen. It wasn't meant to happen because the initial ingredients changed. And this is what I know, it's fascinating. Even the label changed. And the beauty of creating this one was just divine. So I love that. Very much needed in today's life.
Yeah.
Then came fearless. So this is all about finding that warrior energy within you, and it's got dragons on it. So it's got a
dragon too.
Yeah, I know. So this is, and it's for people to step into their power, into their that warrior energy and be empowered and let go of everything in the 3D that's not working for them. And, we've had to clear that out because we cannot take it.
We can't. We were just talking earlier about the, the 2 timelines and this shrinking in and shrinking down and expanding out the other. And it's interesting. Today I was talking about the warrior within you. The old warrior used to be very much the male energy and have the armor on. And the new warrior is about the strength within. That's the empowerment, and it's using the love and compassion. So it's 2 different types of strengths, not so much the physical strength. Well, it is, but it's the empowerment within you rather than the external stuff. So, yeah, it's so perfect timing. It's just perfect timing.
It's beautiful,
isn't it?
Yeah. And this warrior, it's a gentleness. It's a compassion for others and empathy and for yourself. And I'm watching the men and starting to, the men I connect with are starting to step up more into their feminine. It's
incredible. I know goosebumps talking about it. Like even the old alpha males are really starting to, and imagine if they started using these sprays. Seriously, like use the spray every day. So you've got a couple more, haven't you?
Yeah, I've got 2 more. So then came through the protection. So this is like the armor of God, and it's protecting against EMFs, entities that will latch onto you when you go to shopping centres or you're having negative conversations or people having negative conversations with you. And so that sort of just builds this protective shield around. That's how I see that one.
Did you say you can use that for computers and,
that was part because the crystals in this are also connected with that as well because, we're seeing and feeling so much energetics through our technology that we need that shield around us.
We're so sensitive. Part of this upgrade is our sensitivity, right? So and that's the funny thing is that we do a lot of our work now, our energy work, if you like, or whatever, is through Zoom or through your laptops, and we've got it all around us. So no, another very timely one. And what was the final one?
And the final one that came through is divine love. And this probably at the moment is my favorite one. The label on it is actually very, very gentle. It's an angel.
Yes.
And this is divine love for oneself, coming back into one's, true essence. And it's beautiful. And, you asked me before which one's my favorite, and I really had to ponder, but then I went, no, it's this one.
Yeah, well, love is the highest form of energy. It's just beautiful. So, and what is in your sprays?
Okay, so I have pure essential oils, crystals. I use sacred geometry, frequencies, my intention, and I call in the galactics. They're also created and sit under pyramids. They're on specific grids that I've created. And, they're
wow.
They're not made, in 5 minutes. They're made over hours, if not days, some of them, just to amplify.
Yeah, well, intention is everything. So when you're all that energy and intention going in there, wow, no wonder they're so powerful. Like as I said, I've been using them for a year, and I use them with my clients, and I use them online, right? It's so powerful. It's incredible. So yeah, love it. So how would you recommend people to use your sprays?
All right. So, and I've been testing these also while I go to markets and my women's circles. So closing the eyes, spraying through the top of the aura and then around, definitely at the back of the neck where our psychic gateway is.
Yep.
Shifting that.
I've got the expansion and I can just opening up. That's a really good one. I've never done it in there before, Claire.
Oh, yeah, no, it's really powerful. It's the gateway we've got to keep protected. Yeah. I'm feeling with the Love Divine, I'm spraying it over my shoulders.
Okay.
I often take on energy unintentionally. It's just what my resonant field does and just shifts that energy always over the heart. And then, I guess like anything, it's a self-empowerment. So you spray it where you feel you need to do it. Like you could just spray it onto your hand, rub it together and breathe it in through your aura. So whatever you feel inclined to do.
Get into your energy body.
Another way of doing it. And I've been using these on a lot of people and clients are just saying, wow, what a shift. I've been working with at markets with light workers, clearing their auras because they have been carrying so much that they would have been. And so it's been a beautiful journey and it's only just starting.
I know. Oh my goodness, it's still part of this whole new way. And it's just keeping us aligned and keeping us stable. And it's clearing as well, like clearing off, the entities, the walk-ins, the whatever, just keeping you nice and stable, aligned and clear. And I just love them. And I just think it's time for people to really start embracing these as part of your everyday life. They're just simple little tools that you can have around your home, in your car, wherever, and use them daily because I really find they just enhance my energy and clear a lot of stuff. Like I love the clarity and focus in the clear and cleanse. Just that they should be a staple and a bit of gratitude as well.
That's beautiful. And carry in your handbag too if you need to.
Yes.
So they're in a good size bottle. I think it's 50 mils. And I do have some roll-ons as well for that. More for the what one's that for? Oh, it's for the clear and cleanse. You can pop into your handbag that, if you need to clear while you're out.
Yeah, I have one.
And because you're so super sensitive, you're very open to this information and it's beautiful. So thank you.
Yes. So where to get them? At your website, possibilitiesandpotential.com.au.
Correct, yes.
And I also stock them on my clothing store as well, empoweredclothing.com.au. And it's just they've gone global because they've gone overseas now. I've had sales over there in America. Yoo-hoo! And they love them. They love the sprays. So I think this is why we're having this conversation. It's time to get people informed about what's out there, what you're making, and how it's made and where it's come from, and how it helps, because there's so many different things out there, and these are just really simple tools, very low cost, really, for a very powerful effect. So give yourself a pat back for listening to the guidance and following the energy, right? Because as your business is possibilities and potential, it's all unlimited. It's all so
Absolutely. Well, thank you to my galactic friends and all our spirit guides, and to you and to everyone as we travel this journey together.
It's time. And as we said before, this new way is about community, collaboration, connection. So, we're sharing each other's love and supporting each other where we can to spread the word, because, these are really powerful tools. So I think we might wrap up there, Claire. Great convo. I just wanted to get this down in recording so that we could share it around, because we talk about this all the time and then people go, oh, I didn't even know you had them. So now this is helping getting it out there. So
yes, I've been told it needs to go global. That's how powerful it is. So, and it's not me selling something, it's just what I've been guided to do.
So everyone, reach out to Claire, have a chat, and purchase some and try them out yourself, because I tell you what, they are really powerful and really amazing. All right, Claire, we'll catch you later.
Sally.
See ya.
Bye.